School. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 13, Why Do We Fall Ill? Now, we have talked about disease and free and being healthy, right? Now, today, let us talk a little more about disease and its causes. Now, what do you think? How does a disease look like? Now, there is no such specific color or shape or size of a disease. But if somebody is having a disease, right, we can get certain types of symptoms from that person or from that organ. We learn about tissue in the previous chapter, right? Tissues, when they combine or combine together, they become an organ system. Now, each organ system has a definite function. For example, if you talk about digestive system, intestine, what does they do? They take food in, right, from outside the body, and it goes from various processes. Bones and muscles, they become an exoskeletal system. Everything together makes our body. Now, let's say when there is a disease, what happens is the functioning of one or more system will change for the worse. Change for the worse means what? Every day it is working as usual, it is working. But if you have certain sort of disease in your body, that system will not work. That system will not work. And what happened? As in one system will not work, the other will also get affected. These changes give rise to certain symbols, symptoms, and signs of a disease. Now, symptom as in what? Something is wrong in your body, but it is not compulsory that this symptoms is particularly this disease only, right? So that is the reason the doctor keep on asking you when you go there. They keep on asking you many questions, that what you have eaten, what is happening, whether you get fever, whether you get cold, cough, the shivering happen or not. Many questions. Based on that, there are similar symptoms of certain disease. That is the reason they used to keep on asking many symptoms from you. But still, if they do not get clear, they used to have a test. For example, if we talk about headache, right, or cough or loose motion, that might be symptoms of certain disease, but there are many such disease which has common symptoms. Okay, when you talk about headache, headache can be get through stress also. Even very rarely you can get it as in undisturbed manner, or dozens of disease that has the symptoms of a headache. So make sure you should understand, when you have a disease in your body, there are certain symbols or signs that occurs. Based on that, we can judge whether a disease is this or not. Now, even when we go deeper inside it, we call it as signs of disease, which a physician used to look and tell about that you might have particular type of disease in your body. Now, right now, if we talk about COVID-19, they have common symptoms of what? Fever, right? Then breathing problem. Now, all these things can also be have the symptoms of our regular viral fever, right? So many things are there. Even typhoid, malaria, those are also the common symptoms. So that is the reason we have to have a particular test to get it done in a laboratory. Now, even if we go deeper in a disease, are of two types. One is an acute disease, another is a chronic disease. Now, there is a difference between acute and a chronic disease. Acute disease is what? That comes for a short duration of time and which will not affect our body so much, or it will not have a long term effect. For example, if you have a cold or you have fever, definitely uh, it will last for a few weeks, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks maximum, or 1 week or 2 week, and it get cured. Will it affect your body? Is there some organ get is badly affected? No, right? So those are called acute diseases, like common cold, fever, and all. But there are certain diseases which we call chronic diseases, right? Chronic diseases, what we have is that will be there for either for a long period of time, or there are certain chronic diseases that are with you for the lifetime. Yes, that will be with you for the lifetime also. For example, if we talk about elephantiasis, right? Hathipago. Right? If you have seen, the people with the leg will become like an elephant leg. On in that, the leg will become so big, and that will not be cured even on a longer period of time. The second, we talk about diabetes. If we talk about diabetes, you have seen that the person having diabetes, they used to take medicines for a longer period of time. Even they used to take insulin for the same, right? So that is the thing I was talking about, chronic disease. So acute disease and chronic disease, you understood what I'm saying? Acute diseases are those which are last for a very short period of time, and chronic diseases are those which are last for a longer period of time. So I hope you are getting what you say. Okay, thank you so much. That's it for today.